po in-estimate yung parang you said we can help you increase your conversion rate by 60%? May
Okay.
ginawa ka po ba?
Alright. So, ganito kasi yan. Yung sa akin kasi, that's like an impromptu. 'Di ba? Although I already have like a number in mind kasi I worked with those kind of businesses before. Ngayon kasi, yung sa scenario kasi ni Shane is that almost guaranteed yung tao, pag nag-free trial sila at bumili sila ng equipment, even actually, it's not just 60. 60% is a very conservative number. Binigyan ko lang ng parang threshold na para dun sa mga walang equipment, 'di ba? Pero normally kasi, yung mga parents niyan pag in-enroll nila sa tennis yan, they have the money. They have the dough, kumbaga sa US, 'di ba? Now, once they go there, it's just a mind game na okay, bibili na yan ng gamit, ng tennis racket, ng shoes, ng t-shirts, ng pants, and that is always the case even in soccer. So, 60% is actually a conservative figure. You're almost guaranteed to book them once they join the free trial. Ganon siya. So, for me, I came up with it kasi I have numbers ready.